Choosing your first programming language can be overwhelming with so many options. But does it really matter? Absolutely. Your first language shapes your problem-solving approach and future learning. So, which language should you start with? Let's explore why this choice is so crucial. Choosing the right language. Is there a formula for finding the ideal first language? Ease of learning. Some languages like Python have simpler syntax, making them easier for beginners. However, Python's advanced features might be challenging for a complete newbie. Community support. Strong communities, like those for Java and Python, offer abundant resources and help when you're stuck. Relevance to goals. Your goals, whether in web development or understanding low-level programming, should guide your choice. JavaScript is essential for web apps, while C provides deep insights into how computers work. Job market demand. Java and Python are highly valued in the job market, giving you a solid foundation for future opportunities. JavaScript, the first choice? Could the language of the web be the perfect starting point? Ubiquity. JavaScript is everywhere, powering almost every website. It allows you to start building interactive sites quickly. Versatility. With Node.js, JavaScript is now a full-stack language, but its flexibility might lead to bad habits. Active community. JavaScript's vibrant community offers extensive tutorials, libraries, and frameworks. Immediate results. Small changes in JavaScript instantly show up in the browser, keeping you motivated. Python, easiest for beginners? Why do so many people swear by Python as the best starting point? Simple syntax. Python's clean, English-like code is easy to understand, making it beginner-friendly. Broad applications. Python is versatile, with applications in web development, AI, and more. Strong community. Python has a robust community with plenty of resources for learners. Not without challenges. Some Python features, like functional programming and list comprehensions, may be confusing for beginners. What about learning Java? Is starting with a serious language like Java a good idea? Object-oriented programming, Java is great for learning OOP principles, providing a strong foundation for other languages like C++ and C#. Platform independence. Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy makes it versatile for different platforms. Strong typing. Java's statically typed nature helps catch errors early, reinforcing good practices. Widely used in industry. Java's popularity in large organizations makes it a valuable language to learn. Is C++ too difficult for beginners? Can starting with a challenging language give you an edge? Foundation in computer science. C++ offers a deep understanding of how computers work, focusing on memory management and low-level concepts. Steeper learning curve. C++ is complex, but mastering it can make other languages easier to learn. Real-world applications. C++ is crucial in game development and performance-critical applications. Progression to other languages. After C++, languages like Java and Python will seem more accessible. Ruby, a good first language? Is Ruby the unsung hero of beginner programming? Beginner-friendly syntax. Ruby's elegant syntax allows beginners to focus on core concepts without complex rules. Rails framework. Ruby on Rails simplifies web development, leading to practical projects quickly. Supportive community. Ruby's welcoming community offers abundant resources for newcomers. Focus on problem solving. Ruby's simplicity encourages solving problems rather than getting bogged down by the language. AI, learning multiple languages. Is it possible to master one language and use AI for the rest? AI-powered code translation. Tools like GitHub Copilot can translate code between languages, allowing you to leverage one language for many. Learning curve. Even with AI, understanding the basics of multiple languages is crucial for debugging and optimization. Efficiency. While AI assists, mastering multiple languages yourself is more efficient and enhances understanding. Future of coding. AI tools will evolve, but a strong foundation in at least one language remains crucial. Conclusion. Best language to learn first. Is there really one best language, or does it depend on something deeper? Your goals matter most. Choose a language based on what you want to achieve, whether building web apps, understanding computer science, or exploring AI. The learning experience. Each language offers a unique experience. Python for simplicity, Java for OOP, and C++ for deep knowledge. Flexibility of future learning. Mastering one language makes learning others easier, giving you flexibility. AI as a future tool. AI tools can assist, but a strong foundation in at least one language is invaluable. In the end, the best language to start with is the one that keeps you engaged and excited to learn. Start your journey, explore different options as you grow, and let your passion for coding guide your path. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.